Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I just created a simple yet powerful solution for archiving your Jira spaces and your Confluence spaces. So you already know that in Jira you have to bulk going space by space. Let's say you have like 20 of them. That is gonna take some time, even though if it's just like few clicks, it takes some time. And let's say you need to clean out some of the Confluence spaces that haven't been used for 3 years, and you have more than 200 spaces. Well, I was one of those people who actually had this kind of an issue, especially within the Confluence itself. So, with the help of the Forge, I've created the bulk archive manager, presenting the bulk archive manager for Jira and for the Confluence. So this is in the development stage, but yet this is something that can really save you some enormous amount of time. So let's test it out. Alright, so I'm gonna archive 1, 2, let me go for this one, Product Discovery. It still doesn't work with Product Discovery projects, but we're gonna figure something else. So, 10 projects. I'm gonna click on Archive the Selected. I'm just gonna wait for a bit, and I'm getting a success. Now, in order to actually double check this, because of course you never know the accuracy and the expected results. So the expected result here is all those projects to be archived, and voila, there we go. All of them have been archived. I just need to refresh. I have restore. I click this one. I click on restore the selected. So it's restoring, success. Let's go back here. None of them. All of them successfully restored. Simple, straight to the point, and nothing too complicated. Second showcase is the Confluence spaces. So we have the ones like who are the personal ones. We also have the ones that are global ones and everything else. So, let's say that I want to archive all of them. Alright, so for some, it said, first of all, insufficient permissions to archive the space. This is happening because I don't have the specific permissions to actually really archive these spaces. So, I need to have archive permission being added to me so I can actually do this kind of stuff. But watch this, when I actually go back and when I go to my Confluence right here, and when I view all the spaces, I only have 2 of the spaces. When I go for the archived, I have all these spaces being archived. You see how quick that was? That was like in seconds. And now restore everything back. So it's restoring, success again. So we have the archive ones right now. You saw that there was archived, now none of them. Let me go back here. Boom. This is one simple yet really scalable solution that I've created right now. This is also maybe going to be available on the marketplace itself, and when it's going to be on the marketplace itself, I'm going to see if this is going to be either free. It's probably going to be free. Then later those apps can actually be going to be paid apps. Alright, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya. Bye.